Hi everyone, in this video, let us learn how to rename CFGs, zones and aliases and also how to replace the zone members. You can use zone object rename command for all zone object types including CFGs, zones and aliases. The syntax is zone object rename, object name, comma, new name. Let us see an example. In this example, we have two aliases. These are part of zone with the name blue zone, and there's one CFG with the name UK CFG. If you want to rename an alias, run the command zoneobjectrename alias1, comma, provide it a new name. And then save the config with the command cfgsave. Verify it with the command cfgshow. You can see that the new alias name shows up in the cfgshow. Similarly, if you want to rename a zone, run the command zoneobjectrename, name of the existing zone, comma, specify a new name. Save the config and verify the new name. You can also rename a CFG using the command zoneobjectrename, specify the current CFG name and give it a new name. Enable the CFG. This time, you have to specify the name of the new CFG. Verify it. You can see that new CFG name reflects in the CFG show. The second section in this video is how to replace the zone members. The syntax is zone object replace old member followed by the new member. Consider the zone. In this example, red zone. Let us replace the first member with an other PWWN space and specify the new PWWN. Save the CFG. Enable the CFG. Verify it with the command cfgshow. You can see the new member is added to the red zone. Zone object command can be used in cases where HBA or storage FC card is replaced and the zone config needs to be modified with the PWWN of the new card. Thank you for watching.